Turmeric golden milk is an Ayurvedic medicinal recipe that has its origins in India. First, we will make the turmeric paste, and then I'll show you how to turn the paste into the golden milk with additional spices, which also boosts the anti-inflammatory properties of this drink. Now let's get started with making the paste. Add about 1/4 cup of turmeric to 1/2 cup of water in a pan. We're going to stir that over medium-low heat until it forms a thick paste. The benefits of making the paste is that in addition to making this golden milk, you can easily add turmeric to soups, stews, and salad dressings to give an extra anti-inflammatory boost to other foods. This paste can be stored in the fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks at a time, and I always like to add a label to the paste so that I'll know exactly when it was made. Now let's make the golden turmeric milk. I find it easiest to make this drink in a blender, so I start with 1 cup of a plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon of the turmeric paste. A dash of black pepper boosts the antioxidant properties even more. And then I begin to add flavor. A date first, and then tahini, because it just adds another depth of flavor and richness, along with other spices that boost the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of this drink. Remember, you can also prepare this on the stovetop. Not only is this recipe good to ward off pain and inflammation, but it's also delicious, and it's a good calming drink before bedtime. I hope you enjoy this turmeric golden milk. If you're looking for another warm drink, try my recipe for the warm cinnamon apple smoothie, and let me know what are some of your favorite drinks in the comments section below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe for more plant-based recipes and lifestyle tips.